wanted to share a little bit about my experience with my health. And I haven't really felt well since I was a teenager. My symptoms really started exacerbating when I was in college. I remember I was on birth control at the time to help clear up my skin. I was overweight, I had acne, and I would cry over little things, and I would cry for hours. I would get home at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I would go directly to bed. I would not sleep because I wasn't sleepy, but I was exhausted, I was fatigued. I had a lot of anxiety. If I had plans with friends, I would cancel them at the last minute. I had good intentions. I knew that I wanted to see my friends and that would make me happier. And when the time would come, I would get very upset because I didn't want to go. I didn't feel well. I didn't know how to explain it to them. It was embarrassing. I had Hashimotos, which is when it's an autoimmune disease when your body attacks your thyroid. So my immune system was attacking my thyroid, which explained why I had no energy and why I just felt like total crap all the time. It's been 1.5 years since I've been working with Dr. Ilya. I haven't been sick in over 1.5 years. And this is very significant for me because Hashimoto's, part of Hashimoto's is having a really weak immune system. And I remember even in college, I used to be sick every other week. And my mom would say, oh, it's the stress. Sure, it's the stress, but it's also like almost strep throat at this point. After eating, about 1.5 hours after eating, I would be very, very tired. I would be ready for a nap. And all of that is gone. I haven't been sick. I don't get tired after I eat. I don't have these highs and lows. My blood sugar is balanced, which has gotten rid of pretty much all of my emotional turmoil, my anxiety. It's really that simple, but it hasn't always been easy, and especially with infections. So I've dealt a lot with infections, some that I was aware of and some that I wasn't aware of that I had. This was contributing to my acne, to my moodiness, to my fatigue. And Dr. Ilya has treated all of them. I've been able to get rid of them without antibiotics. I haven't taken antibiotics in over 1.5 years. When my thinking goes back to, oh, I want to live like everyone else and I want to do what everyone else does, he points out to me, yeah, but everyone else isn't very healthy. Our country is 60th in health, which means that things that we think that we take for granted as healthy or acceptable in this country are not. If you want to be healthy, then you have to be different from that. And so he champions this path, which is best for me. So he champions me and he champions my health.